Hey sisters, welcome back to my channel. I'm so excited to have you here with me today. Today we're diving into something super exciting and transformative. We're going full glam and diving deep into the art of contouring and highlighting. Contouring and highlighting can completely change the way your face looks, and I'm here to guide you through every step of the process. Whether you're a beginner or a makeup pro, you'll find these tips incredibly useful. No matter what your face shape is, honey, I'm going to show you how to snatch those cheekbones, make them pop, and give your face that sculpted look. We'll also focus on the nose, making it look chiseled and defined. It's all about enhancing your natural beauty. And of course, we can't forget about highlighting. I'll show you how to get that radiant, glowing skin that makes you look like an inner internet star. You'll be shining bright and turning heads wherever you go. Make sure to hit that subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if you find it helpful. Your support means the world to me. You definitely don't want to miss out on all the hot tips and tricks coming your way. Stay tuned and let's get started on this glam journey together. Alright, so before we even think about putting on any makeup, we need to start with a clean and moisturized face. This is the foundation of any great makeup look. Think of it as prepping a canvas before painting. You wouldn't want to paint on a dirty or rough surface, right? The same principle applies to your skin. Would you paint a masterpiece on a dirty canvas? Absolutely not. A clean canvas ensures that the colors pop and the details shine through. I think not. So, make sure you've cleansed away all the dirt, oil, and any leftover makeup from last night's adventures. Use a gentle cleanser that suits your skin type. This step is crucial because any residue can clog your pores and affect the longevity of your makeup. Then, go in with your favorite moisturizer. Hydration is key to achieving that smooth, dewy look. A well-moisturized face acts as a perfect base for your foundation and other makeup products. I'm currently obsessed with the Tatcha Dewy Skin Cream. It's like a drink of water for your skin. It not only hydrates, but also gives a beautiful glow. It leaves my skin feeling so supple and hydrated, which is literally everything when it comes to getting that flawless makeup application. When your skin is well hydrated, your makeup goes on smoother and lasts longer. Trust me, your makeup will look a million times better when you start with a clean and hydrated base. So take those extra few minutes to prep your skin. Your future self and your makeup will thank you for it. Remember, great makeup starts with great skincare. So let's get that canvas ready and create some magic. Okay, babes, listen up because this is a mistake I see the time. One of the biggest no-nos when it comes to contour and highlight is using too much product. Remember, less is always more. When you use too much, it's going to be harder to blend and you'll end up looking cakey and unnatural. And nobody wants that. Instead, start with a tiny amount of product and build it up gradually. Trust me, it's much easier to add more than it is to take away. Chapter 3. Blend, blend, blend. Okay, so you've applied your contour and highlight, but we're not done yet. This is just the beginning of achieving that flawless look. The key to a flawless look is blending, blending, blending. It's not just about applying the products, it's about making them look like a part of your skin. And blend it like your life depends on it. Take your time with this step because it can make or break your entire look. You don't want to see any harsh lines or streaks, okay? Harsh lines can make your makeup look unpolished and unnatural. We're going for a seamless, airbrushed finish. Think of it as creating a soft focus effect on your face. I personally love using a damp beauty sponge for blending, but you can also use a brush if that's what you prefer. Each tool has its own benefits. Just make sure you blend everything out really well. Spend a few extra minutes to ensure everything is perfectly blended. Trust me, it will be worth it in the end. Notice the difference between before and after blending. The transformation is incredible, right? Blending can elevate your makeup game to a whole new level. Experiment with different tools and techniques to find what works best for you. Whether it's a sponge, a brush, or even your fingers, the goal is to achieve that flawless finish. So remember, the secret to stunning makeup is in the blend. Happy blending, beauties. Chapter 4. Lock it in, set your makeup. So, you've spent all this time creating this gorgeous masterpiece on your face. But if you don't set your makeup, it's going to slide right off, and nobody wants that. Setting your makeup will help to keep everything in place all day and night long. I love using a translucent setting powder to set my under-eye concealer and any areas where I've contoured. Then, I'll go in with a setting spray to lock in my entire makeup look. Chapter 5. Shade. Matching 101. Choosing the right shades for your skin tone is crucial, sis. You don't want your contour to look too muddy or your highlight to be too chalky. For contour, you want to go 1 or 2 shades darker than your natural skin tone. And for highlight, you want to go 1 or 2 shades lighter. When in doubt, go to a makeup store and ask for help finding the right shades for you. Outrow slay the day. And there you have it, my loves. You are now ready to conquer the world with your fierce contour and highlight. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell so you never miss an update. I'm posting new videos every week with all the latest makeup trends and tutorials. Comment below with your favorite contouring and highlighting tips. I love hearing from you guys. Until next time, stay fierce.